Hello and welcome! Today we are going to be putting together a foot pedal. Here is a list of all the tools you will need. So, to begin with, take the cable and on the side with the straight plug, measure out 2 feet and cut that length off. Then take the screwdriver and unscrew the bottom screw halfway. Use the screwdriver to push out the hinge piece holding the top and bottom enclosures together. Hold the foot pedal shut and release slowly once the hinge piece is free so the spring doesn't go flying out. Once the top part is free, set those parts to the side and unscrew the switch and plastic cable clamp. Put the screws in a small dish so they don't get lost. Place the switch into the helping hands with the tabs facing to the left. After that, thread the cable through the hole in the foot pedal and slip on a piece of heat shrink tubing cut to approximately 1 centimeter in length. With the large wire strippers, strip about 1.5 inches of the outer insulation. This is where you can use an X-Acto blade to carefully cut around the insulation if you don't have wire strippers that large. Then gather all of the exposed copper wires and twist them together. Using the 24 gauge wire strippers, strip about 1/4 inch of the insulated wire, twisting the wires as you pull the insulation off. Insert the stripped part of the insulated wire up through the top left hole, using the tweezers to bend the wire over after it's through. Solder into place. Taking the twisted together copper wires, use the tweezers to bend in half and place down through the hole of the top tab. Once through the hole, use the tweezers to pull the rest of the way. Solder into place and cut off excess wire. Slip the heat shrink tubing up to the edge of the outer insulation and heat. Grab a small zip tie and secure to the edge of the outer insulation as well. Cut off the tail of the zip tie. Heat shrink and zip tie are used for extra strain relief and a snugger cable fit. Pull the cable back through the foot pedal, then screw the plastic cable clamp and the switch back into place. To secure the spring, place a few drops of superglue to the base, place the spring on top, and let sit for about 10 seconds. All that's left is placing the top and bottom half back together, reinsert the hinge piece, and screw to secure.